Hey folks, good morning. So we're waking up to another story on why we never recommend that you book guaranteed cabins on a cruise. Quantum of the Seas just sailed away on an 8-night itinerary from Brisbane, Australia, and some passengers were literally left behind at the pier waving goodbye as the ship sailed off. So first off, what is a guaranteed cabin? Well, that just means that you don't have a stateroom assigned to you. Next to your name is going to be the letter GTY, and that means that the cruise line is saying, hey, we're going to hold cabins in this category. We don't know which one you're going to get yet, but at some point, we're going to assign you a cabin. And this system works great unless the ship is overbooked, which we seem to be seeing more and more of as cruising has come out of the pandemic and all this pent-up demand. But if you book a stateroom, like an actual stateroom with a number assigned to you, that cabin is taken out of inventory and that is your cabin. The chances of you being bumped off a cruise with an actual assigned cabin is minuscule. It could happen at a rare occasion, but it is minuscule. That cabin is now assigned to you and to you only. Nobody else can get that cabin. Now, Royal Caribbean offers some alternatives to these passengers. Now, number one, they could just simply wait in the terminal to see if there were some no-shows, and apparently there were a few no-shows, so some folks were able to get on the cruise ship. Now, for those who could not get on the ship, they were offered some additional options. Now, that's all fine and good. The cruise line is making up for it, but these people obviously got themselves to the terminal. They may have flown from somewhere. They may have been in a hotel overnight. Yes, hopefully they all have travel insurance so they can get, money back on all of that. But at the end of the day, that 8-night vacation that they were expecting to have is now gone. They might be able to take it later on one of those other cruises. They may not. They might have to wait another year before they can do their vacation. So folks, this is why we recommend to you and to all of our clients not to book a guaranteed cabin. There's a lot of ways to save money on cruises. This is not one that we recommend because right now cruising is still white hot. There are a lot of sold out cruises out there. And if you happen to be on one, hopefully you get a notification before you leave home. But if you don't get that notification until you're in wherever you are, well, now you're kind of stranded without a vacation. And if you have more questions about guaranteed cabins, or we can help you in any way with your cruises or any of your future travels, hey, please reach out. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.